Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make burger bowls. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on fresh produce and quality ground meat or a plant-based alternative. This easy method ensures a delicious and satisfying meal without the bun. We'll walk through preparing your patty, assembling your bowl with a vibrant base, and then adding all your favorite toppings. Get ready to enjoy a versatile and flavorful dish that's perfect for any day of the week. Start by selecting your protein, whether it's lean ground beef, turkey, or a savory plant-based patty. Form your meat into patties, aiming for about 1/3 of a pound each. Season them generously with salt, pepper, and any other spices you love, like garlic powder or paprika. Cook your patties in a hot skillet or on a grill until they reach your preferred level of doneness, ensuring a juicy and flavorful center for your bowl. Now it's time to build your burger bowl. Begin with a generous base of fresh, crisp greens such as romaine lettuce, spinach, or mixed spring greens. Next, place your perfectly cooked burger patty right on top of the greens. This creates the hearty foundation for your meal. Think about adding some colorful vegetables like sliced tomatoes, red onion, or pickles to start layering in those classic burger flavors. Elevate your burger bowl with an array of delicious toppings. Consider adding shredded cheddar cheese, crispy bacon bits, or sautéed mushrooms. Don't forget the crunch of pickles and the zing of raw or caramelized onions. Finish your bowl with a drizzle of your favorite low-carb dressing, like a creamy ranch or a tangy Thousand Island. A sprinkle of fresh chives or parsley adds a final touch of freshness and flavor.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.